Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and what we're looking at is a source of considerable confusion for some people. So the question is, why do these brackets make a difference, if indeed they do? Well, they do. Now, if we take this one first, what we're doing is we are squaring the entirety of this, which is negative 3 times negative 3. Two negatives make a positive. If we were to do this, we would have negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. And negative times a negative is positive, times a negative is negative again. So something like this fluctuates between positive and negative depending on the power that's here. If it's even, this will be positive. If it's odd, this will be negative. Now, that's it. That's all there is to it. You must remember that when you square a bracket, you square everything that's in the bracket. You are squaring this number. Now, what's the difference here? Well, we have 3 and a negative. I beg your pardon. Let's make that a 2. You can think of it this way, if that helps. You can think of it as this way, if it helps. But I guarantee you that if you put that into your calculator, like that, you'll get negative 9. And if you don't, you should change your calculator. What the 2 is doing is it's squaring the 3. It is not dealing with this negative number. This comes later. This is an operation that comes later in terms of the order of operations. This comes first in this case. And so it is 3 squared, which is 9, and then negative 1 times that, or negative 1 times that bracket, however you want to play this. But the key thing, the key takeaway is that this is fundamentally different from this, and this is fundamentally different from this. That's the other thing. So it's very important that you watch where the brackets are, or indeed are not. Now, if you make this to the power of 3 or the power of 5, you're still going to get a negative because of this setup here. But as I say, with this, it varies. If it's an even power, you get a positive. If it's an odd power, you get a negative. Now, I hope this was useful. I hope it cleared up some misunderstandings. If it did, don't forget, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.